How to get $60 Shein working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in couponfollow.com and search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now, at the top right, you're going to find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Shein.com and search for it. With that, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Just scroll and check 20% off, $10 off, 15% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you're going to get the code. You can see that this is the code for Shein. Now you can copy it, then click on redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, you can type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Now, type in Shein coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Shein. You can check out any of these websites. Just open it. And with that, you're going to get the code. Well, this way you can easily get $60 working coupon code for Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.